Guys, this here is called actually a building site. In Bulgarian we call it stroeж, and we have to thank this nice gentleman, благодаря ви, благодаря, who agreed to be filmed. Той е строител, a builder, and this here is camion. I wonder whether you can hear me. This is a camion, a truck. I don't know how much you can hear what I'm saying, but they are actually unloading, разтоварват rubble. I think it's rubble, okay? Пясък, sand and stones. Пясък, sand. Okay, let me check whether they're unloading sand. Прощавайте, пясък ли разтоварват?
Не, това е...
Какво е това?
Как да го кажа?
Чакъл.
Да,
Something like rubble, guys. It's not sand. Thank you very much. Thanks to this nice gentleman. This here is a stroež, actually, a building site. Okay, it's a lovely location, and I have had their kind agreement and allow permission to film. Okay, wish you a lovely day from sunny Sofia, Dragalevci. Again, stroež, construction site, building site, camion, a truck, load or unload, разтоварвам, okay, and rubble. It looks like sand to me. Okay, rubble, чакъл. Enjoy your day.